All right, this is what they look like with the lights off. Hey, Aaron.
Hi, guys.
Hey. So what do we have?
We have a Patrick and a Stitch and
The Cheshire Cat.
Cheshire Cat.
That's right. So we're going to unbox these 3 smaller inflatables so we can check out what they look like. We do have the Spongebob, but we're just going to do the Patrick today.
Flip it over.
All right, there it is. Let's see what it looks like. So again, there's another Jemmy one. This one now comes with the plug already attached, so that's easy. Okay, so let's inflate Stitch.
There he goes.
There he goes. You can see his whole little
He's
face.
tiny.
Yeah, he is tiny. It says he's 3 feet tall. So this is Stitch. He's dressed like a vampire.
3 feet from the top of the ears, probably.
There he goes.
That was fast.
Look at the little kick.
Oh my gosh, that was fast because he's pretty small.
Yes, what?
All right, pretty small.
What does he have on him?
He's dressed like a vampire. You could see Stitch there. You can see his nose. He does have a nose. He has his blue eyes and his little outfit. You can see his ears here.
Come on, guys.
And back here, you can see his fan and his cape.
We could fly with these ears.
Little vampire. Look at the hair of the vampire.
Look at the mouth.
Oh yeah, he does have vampire hair. Look at
And
that.
he has vampire teeth.
That's right. Okay, let's do the next one. How about Patrick?
Yeah, Patrick.
Okay, so this Patrick we got at Walmart, and it's $28.88.
And the plug is already on.
Is the plug already on too?
Yeah.
There he is. Looks like
Look
a
at
water
his
bubble gum.
Look at his mouth.
Yeah.
He's cute.
All right, let's see
I
what he
don't know
looks
why-
like.
I don't know why he always shows these all the time. I don't want to say it because everyone will say it's gross. Wait.
Oh, he's pretty small also. Come on, let's plug him and see what he looks like.
One of those things. Look at it. Well, I think
There he
it's
goes.
close.
There he goes.
Do it, very on it. Hey, yo.
There he
That
goes.
was so fast.
It was fast.
Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Hey, yo.
Look at his little belly button. All right, so here is Patrick. You can see he's dressed like a pirate.
He's taller.
Oh, he's taller because he's 3.5 feet. So here is Patrick. He's dressed like a pirate. You can see that he has like the side of the bandana there, and then you can lower his eye patch or not lower it, whichever way you want. Either way you can do it. This is the back of Patrick. So we'll see what these guys all look like at night in just a minute. So the next one is going to be the Cheshire Cat.
He's pretty small.
He's also all pink, like a water bubble gum. He does have his plug on as well.
They're all the same.
Let's see what he looks like.
Oh.
There he goes. He's a character from Alice in Wonderland, if you
Guys,
didn't
here's
know.
the zipper. If you did not know, the zipper. Whoa.
There he is.
You see it blade.
You gotta like put
He's actually
his
pretty-
hands go underneath his head. There he goes. He goes like that. So you can see he's a hanging one.
Like you hang his tail.
So you can hang him by his hook here, but he also has anchors on the side. So I guess you could put him on the floor if you wanted to. There's another hook here. All right, let me put him on the chandelier. What?
Wait, I think this guy's bigger than the others. Like, because of the tail.
Is he taller technically?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's the tallest one.
So it says he is
He's what?
4 feet tall. So yeah,
4
he is taller than all of them. All right, so here he is, the Cheshire Cat hanging from the chandelier. And he looks pretty cool. So like I said, we'll show you what these guys look like at night. And you let us know which one you like the best. All right, this is what they look like with the lights off. They look pretty cool. You can see Stitch's head is inflated and basically just the heads, lit up. Just the heads are lit up. Well, I think they look nice. Let us know which one of these is your favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye.